house, we have this little bird that protects us. So anytime a bird comes over,
Y'all see that?
he scares everybody away because we have cheese and food. So he knows that at some point we'll leave and he'll eat all of our food, and he scares all of the other birds away. Here, this is what he looks like. Of us, right there. See our food? There. And look, he's all mad. And all he's doing is staring at other birds down. So he's chased all those other birds away. Oh, they might come back. Uh-oh. Someone's coming close. Someone's coming close to us. There he goes. He's gonna go chasing away. He's looking at him like, get away, don't you dare. He doesn't look at me, just... I know he's so close to us. I know, right? He looks more like a goose or a duck. Look, he's chasing him away. And then he'll come back. He's over there, like, he's chasing him far away. Then he'll come back to us. I think he's lost us. He's confused. He can't find us. He's like, oh no, what was I doing?